chance of rain lows in the upper 40s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Freeport, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Freeport, German Valley, Rydot, Scioto Mills, Wenatchee, Alberta's Airport and Stevenson County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.